Found this lawnmower on the side of the road. Had a free sign on the side of it. So I brought it home yesterday. I took the air filter out, sprayed some brake clean down in there, and tried to fire it up, and it didn't even try to fire. So I pulled the spark plug wire off, and I put a new spark plug on here and put it up against the block, or against the head, and the spark seems really weak. But yeah, I got the battery out of it. It was right here, charging it up. Now I've got all these bolts loose. There's 4 of them, 2 on the front, 2 on the back. I'm gonna take this out and see what the Magneto looks like. If it's all rusty, I've seen these things where they're rusty before, and they just need to be cleaned up with some sandpaper. Alright, so I got the cover off of it. Here's your coil, and there's a magnet that's on this thing. Right there, there's a magnet. And you see how rusty that is? And I assume that this surface here on this Magneto is rusty too, so. That's actually pretty clean, but the magnet itself is very dirty, so I'm gonna sand these down a little bit. Just got my little Dremel type tool. I want the gap to be pretty low. That's another thing. It wasn't very close. It seemed like the gap might have been like, I don't know, 30 thousandths, but you want it maybe a little bit closer than that. Not exactly sure how close, but close enough. I think that'll be good. I'm going to tighten those down. They are closer. It's closer than it was. Let's put it that way. Gas is off. I think I figured out why they didn't want it. So I went to engage the blades and it just started smoking from the pulley up here where the engine is at. Well, I was able to break it free by hand. I just yanked on it back and forth until it broke loose. And then I put a bunch of oil, squirted a bunch of oil in there on the shaft. So hopefully it gets down into the bearing, both sides.